Okay, so I'm about to start joining now. This is my front. You can see these are the 3 pieces for the front, and it is easy. So I'm just going to put this one here. Remember the notching. So I will join it down, then I will come back to put this one together, and I will also join them. So just watch. Sewing is easy. It's just to join, nothing to be done, no curve. It's just a straight line joining, and I'm using 1/2 inch for my joining. Okay, we are still sewing our 6 pieces skirt. You can see that I've joined the 3 pieces for the front. You can see 1, 2, 3. The 3 pieces for the front is already joined. So what I'm going to do now, I just want to show you, I'm going to join the pieces for the back too. You remember that the back has zipper allowance. You can see the notch here. There is a notch here, and then 1.5 inches that I left for my, or 1 1/4 that I left for my zipper allowance. So I will go and fix my zipper, my short skirt. This is like 8-inch zipper. We've done how to fix zipper on skirt. So you can go and watch that video if you don't know how to fix zipper yet. So I'm going to first of all leave 8 inches, measure 8 inches here, then leave it, then I'll sew the rest of the zipper allowance down the way we fix zips. I will sew the rest of the zipper allowance down, then I will come back then to fix the zipper here. Then you remember that this is the middle piece of the back, so these are going to be beside it, the 2 pieces that will be beside it. So I just want to explain what I'm going to do on the machine for you, so as I do it you can also follow along and you'll be able to do your own. So I'm Okay, so I've joined the front 3 pieces and the back 3 pieces. The next thing to do now is to go and take my measurement. I'll take my measurement for the waist, and I'll also take measurement for my hip. I'll take my measurement for my waist here. You know how to take measurement for your waist, so it can be your accurate measurement that you will use. I'll take my measurement for my waist here. The one here is 29 or 30, so that will be 7.5 to this side and then 7.5 to this side. Then I'm going to measure 1/2 inch down, 8 inches down. I'm going to measure 8 inches down to know where my hip is, 8 or 8.5. Then I will measure my hip around here too. Make sure you use your own measurement. Then I'll join the sides of my skirt down. After I've done that, I'll now go to the table to cut my lining, fix it inside, and that will be the end of the 6 pieces skirt. You can see that my skirt is ready.